Hi everybody, Kayla here with some Snappy Science. For these activities, we're going to be doing some activities that focus on one key ingredient, water. Now you'll see I'm working over this tray and tea towel just in case things spill. Science can get messy, but that's okay. What we're going to do first is prep for our third activity. Take your string, measure out a length, about the length of my tray, like 20 to 30 centimeters, and then I'm going to stick this into the water to soak. For our first actual activity though, all we need is a cup and a card. Make sure it's something sturdy and something that can cover the whole opening of your cup. Now I'm going to take my water, fill my cup up about halfway, place the card over the opening, and with one hand on the cup, flip it over. The card stays up. Thanks to the air pressure all around us pushing up on the card, it doesn't fall down. But it's also thanks to something else called surface tension. Now, surface tension is a property of water molecules that allows them to sort of stick together. They really like to cling to each other instead of dripping out of the cup. And we can actually play with surface tension in our next quick activity using just a coin and water. Now, if you have a dropper left over from a previous activity, you can use that, but I'm actually just going to use my finger as a dropper. So I'm going to swirl it around in the water and then put one drop onto the coin. And I'm going to keep adding drops to see what happens. The drops start to stick together and form a dome instead of flattening out over the surface. What's happening is adhesion, where water molecules stick to other objects like the coin, and cohesion, the word for the water molecules being attracted to and clinging to each other. All of this is surface tension at work. Eventually, there will be too many water molecules and the surface tension will be beaten by gravity and the water dome will break and leak off. Here, I'm using a nickel, but any coin will work. And 17 is pretty good. See if you can beat me though and get more drops. I wonder how many a quarter can hold. Okay everybody, let's go ahead with our third water activity and our final one. We are actually going to be transferring water from one cup to another without moving them any closer than this. So place your cups or glasses in your tray, take your string that has been soaking from earlier, and we are actually going to spread that across the cups. Now, in whatever side is your dominant hand, so for me that's right, I'm going to take a piece of tape and tape the string just to the inside of the top of the cup. Perfect. Now I'm going to pour a little bit of water into the taped cup and add a few drops of food coloring, which you don't have to do, but it just makes it easier for you guys to see what I'm doing over here. Now we are ready to pour the water from one cup to another. Now I'm actually going to hold the string of the other cup just so it's like balancing over the middle, a little bit easier to control the water, and then slowly pour the water down the string. So as the water soaked in the string, the water molecules stuck to the string with adhesion, and now the water molecules from the cup are kind of traveling down the string water using cohesion or surface tension. And there we have it, water going all the way across. Can I go faster? There we go. Awesome. So thank you guys for tuning in for our simple and snappy water experiments. I hope you had fun. For our third